We've just updated the IVR Workflow Action so that we now have an end. This feature is going to enable your business to terminate IVR calls, providing a greater amount of flexibility and control over call management right within the CRM. Let's talk about those benefits. This is going to enhance your customer's experience. Businesses can now promptly end IVR calls rather than leaving customers on hold indefinitely. This is going to also provide an improved workflow control. Workflow owners now have a greater control over call management, and this is also time-saving automation. Streamline all of that call management in an easy-to-use automation process. Let's talk about practical use. Now, as a small business owner using the CRM's IVR system, you can now set up automated messages to prompt callers to end the call, ensuring a much more polished customer experience, freeing up staff for other tasks. So first you want to go ahead and create a workflow. That's going to be under Automation, Workflows, and then you're going to click plus Create Workflow. Now go ahead and add that IVR as the trigger, and then add the phone number. So this is going to be filters, and then you're going to go under and choose in phone number and hit select. Now you're going to go ahead and add that next action. Now, there are a whole bunch of other things that you can add in between this because you really want that IVR call to be as perfect as it possibly can be. There are so many options, who they're going to reach out to, where calls are going to be forward. But what I'm going to show you right here is that new end call action. And so that is actually what you're going to put at the end of that IVR automation. Now, you're going to go ahead and set up that IVR termination and save that action. Now you can also add voice instructions. Just toggle that on and you simply say a message and make sure you save. Of course, you can have custom music as well. So under the play a message, you're going to go ahead and upload that file. You can even view the uploaded file once you've uploaded it. With this feature, businesses can enhance customer experiences, improve workflow control, and save time by efficiently managing IVR calls within the CRM, ultimately optimizing call handling processing and improving overall efficiency. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you have any questions at all.